All right, guys, we got the Adrian bitch here at Magic Hair Company. Just came in, grabbed a wig right off of the shelves because you know we have hundreds of wigs in stock here at Magic Hair Company. This wig is going to transform by the next time you see it, ladies and gentlemen. Shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. What do you think about this wig so far?
Fire. It's already melted to my scalp. I didn't even put it on yet. Like, we get into the lace, like already done, and I haven't even started.
And there's baby hair around that hairline. You can freely part it anywhere you want.
My favorite part, the adjustable band.
Yes, it's adjustable and removable. Yes, I can't wait to see how this wig comes out. Check us out. We're here at Magic Hair Company. We have all of these wigs here in stock. Check out our 3 o'clock live shows every Friday here at Magic Hair Company, where we are your custom glueless, full lace, and front lace specialists. Subscribe to our newsletter. Shop with us if you want the best, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see you soon. We're located here in Culver City, California.